following Epiphan Systems video is an overview of the DVI2USB video capture product. It's used for capturing and recording VGA, DVI, or HDMI video sources. The hardware for DVI2USB consists of a DVI input connector, a power source, and a mini USB connector. We'll go through in detail what each of those interfaces do and how they function. Basically, you can apply a DVI source directly to the DVI connector, or a VGA to DVI adapter, which we provide, or an HDMI to DVI video cable. The output is then sent to a capture PC or Mac or Linux machine using mini USB to USB conversion. The physical size of it is about the size of a paperback book, which easily fits into a laptop bag. There's a number of applications for the DVI2USB product, and it's not specific to any industry in that it has basic generic connectors of DVI, VGA, or HDMI, and across multiple industries, whether it's medical, education, recording presentations, creating how-to videos, or recording things as industrial type applications like slot machines, cash machines, or transportation monitoring systems, or professional AV studios or video production. Basically what they have in common are a common set of connectors for video displays to which you can connect a DVI2USB and record the output of those displays. Basically, we're next going to go through demonstrations of each of the different signal types or video source types. The DVI2USB capture environment that you can create, basically, as block diagram shows, video source coming into an optional splitter, or you can go directly to DVI2USB. The splitter's helpful if you want to monitor what you're recording on a second monitor. In addition, there is a software capture tool that you can run on the capture computer. Epiphan has a software capture tool as well as open interface that connects into third-party applications through DirectShow, QuickTime, or Video for Linux APIs. The output of that recording can then be posted, played back in standard players, or then post-processed in a video editing tool suite. Basically, that environment kit, what have you, is shown in this picture here, and it's just for if you're dealing with users that aren't familiar with the different video source connectors. One of the tricks that we use is putting little stickers on the actual cables, and you see the names are labeled on each one of them. And the kit basically is a laptop, DVI2USB, and then the multiple cables or adapters. They're obviously available in different form factors. They can be cables or just simple connector adapters. Basically, we're next going to do a demonstration of capturing a VGA source. In this particular example, it's a VGA source, which is another laptop, but it could be an ultrasound machine or any other system that has a VGA output, and we'll run the demonstration in this next video. The following video demonstration is capture of a VGA source using DVI2USB. Basically, we have a laptop running a movie on the media player, a VGA out to the DVI to VGA cable adapter, and then into the USB port of the PC, on which we're going to run the Epiphan capture tool. It's going to detect the display, and as you see the movie there, I'm going to record a sample video, call it test VGA, hit save, stop recording the video, go to the video folder that I saved it in, you see test VGA, run the application media player, and then you see the recording of the video we just did. The next video is capturing a DVI source, and in this particular example we have a Mac computer, and it has a DVI adapter on the outside of the Mac connecting to the DVI port of the DVI2USB, and we're going to run a YouTube video and capture that in the following demonstration video. Following video demonstrates the capturing of a DVI source using DVI2USB. Here we have a Mac computer with a DVI port, a display out, connected to the DVI2USB, and then connected over USB to the capture computer. I'm going to launch the Epiphan capture application. It's going to quickly detect it's 1920 by 1200. And now I'm going to run the YouTube video over here. I'm going to start recording, test DVI, record a brief movie, going to stop, going to show you the directory where we just save this file, launch a media player, and here we see the video being captured. That's as simple as that. This demo, it's capturing an HDMI source. In this particular example, it's an iPad that has an HDMI plug on the side of it there, and plugs directly through an adapter cable into the DVI2USB. And we'll run a simple video and show you some screen captures of the iPad. Following demonstration is the capture of an HDMI display using DVI2USB. Basically in our setup we have an iPad with an adapter to HDMI, a cable that goes from HDMI to DVI, and then from the DVI to USB, where the cable is connected, goes in USB into the capture laptop, where I'm running the Epiphan software on Windows 7. I'm going to launch the application for the capture tool. Brings up the iPad display. You move the screen around, you can see that that's what it's capturing. I'm going to quickly record a demonstration video, call it test HDMI, save, move the screen around, and then show how the user can bring up a particular application like on iPhotos, and then scroll through different pictures in iPhotos, creating a movie of that. And basically anything on the iPad that's being captured. Now I'm going to stop the recording and then go to the directory where my recording was being saved, call test HDMI, run the default media player, and you can see it's replaying the video that we just recorded. It's as simple as that to capture an HDMI display.